తాండూరు పట్టణ సమీపంలో గల ప్రతిభా పాఠశాలలో బాలల దినోత్సవ వేడుకలు ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. పాఠశాల విద్యార్థులు జిల్లా పాలనా వ్యవస్థపై మోడల్ ప్రదర్శన నిర్వహించారు. ఈ ప్రదర్శనలో జిల్లా కలెక్టర్, ఆర్డీఓ, డిఈఓ, తహసీల్దార్, ఎండిఓ, ఎంఈఓ, పంచాయతీ కార్యదర్శి, రాజకీయ వ్యవస్థలోని జిల్లా పరిషత్ చైర్మన్, మంత్రి, ఎంపీ, ఎమ్మెల్యే, ఎమ్మెల్సీ, మున్సిపల్ చైర్మన్ పాత్రలను విద్యార్థులు ప్రదర్శించి వారి విధుల గురించి వివరించి అందరినీ ఆకట్టుకున్నారు. జిల్లా పాలనా వ్యవస్థపై తోటి విద్యార్థులకు అవగాహన కల్పించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా పాఠశాల డైరెక్టర్లు పర్యాద రామకృష్ణ, నిర్ని చంద్రశేఖర్లు మాట్లాడుతూ నేటి బాలలే రేపటి పాలకులు అని వారికి పాలనా వ్యవస్థపైన సమాజం పట్ల అవగాహన కల్పించే ప్రయత్నంలో భాగంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించామని తెలిపారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రిన్సిపల్ రవికుమార్, ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
ఇంకా రాలేదేమో అనుకున్నాను.
I am 5th standard. My role is MLC. MLC, it means a member of Legislative Council. There are different types of MLCs, which includes teachers, graduates, and local body MLCs. Thank you.
My name is Jitesh. I am studying in 7th standard. My role is counselor. I am elected representative of the ward in the municipality, and my duty is to solve problems in which the people of my ward is facing. Majorities of councillor will be elected municipal chairman. Thank you.
My name is Pavani. I am studying in 7th standard. My role is ZPTC. ZPTC, it means Jilla Parishad Territorial Constituency member who is elected by people. My duty is in participant in district level development meeting. I am also at a ZP chairman. Thank you.
From 6th standard. My topic name is my role is ward member who is elected by people in ward. My duty is to supervise and sanitation in the ward. We measure developments and other works also. We majority from the ward members elects for the Sarpanch of the village.
Namaste, my name is Aarti. I am studying in 5th standard. My role is Sarpanch, head of the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch is elected by people of the village. My duty is coordinate all the ward members and making them involved in village development. My work is supervise sanitation and them work is village. Thank you.
My role is DEO. DEO, it means District Education Officer. The DEO is the head of the educational system in the district, which supervises all the government and private educational institutions in the district, and it takes necessary measures to improve educational standards in the schools by implementing methods which promote development of the education. And DEO coordinate all the MEOs in the district and conduct review meetings with the MEOs and headmaster of the schools and monitors day-to-day development of the students and their progress in their academics. Thank you. And our district education minister is Renuka Mem Garu. Our district education officer is Renuka Mem Garu.
I am studying in 5th standard. My role is MPTC. MPTC,
territorial constituency member who is elected by people, and the duty of MPTC is to participate in mandal meetings.
My name is Lingam Srinivas. I am studying in 9th standard. My role is district SP. SP it means by Superintendent of Police. Once will become SP of a district by clearing civil service examination. I am Indian Police Servicer. The function of SP of a district is to maintain laws and order in the district, coordinating CISI and other police officers, so that we are safe without any disturbance. Thank you, police, for your service to our society. Thank you.
My name is Nihal Raja. My role is MRO. Full form of MRO is Mandal Revenue Officer. One can become MRO by clearing the competitive examination like groups. Nowadays, MRO are also called the Tahsildars, who are the head of the Tahsils. Can become the MRO by clearing the competitive examination like groups.
Tandur MRO is
Tandur MRO is Chinnapalla Live.
Vardhan, studying 9th class. My role is VRO. VRO it means Village Revenue Officer. One can become VRO by clearing competitive examinations conducted by state government. The functions of VRO is coordinate the developmental activities at the village level. And also VRO also supervise revenue records at the village level and also clears dispute of the land at the village levels. He also issue necessary certificate and land records at the village and to people. Thank you.
My name is Monica. I am studying in 7th standard. My role is municipal chairman and I am an elected public representative as councillor. The majority of elected councillors, me as a chairman of municipality, and my duty is to coordinate councillors and officials and involving in the development activities. Tandur municipality was formed in 1953. Tandur municipality chairman is Swapna Parinawaj. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Prithviraj. I am studying in 9th standard. My role is MP. MP means by Member of Parliament. I am an elected representative from my coordinating all the representative and official in the area, and I raise my area issue in the Parliament. MP of Chevela G. Ranjit Reddy Garu.
My name is Pooja. I am studying in 8th standard. My role is Panchayat Secretary. One can become Panchayat Secretary by clearing competitive examination conducted by government of state. The duty the Panchayat Secretary is to coordinate the representative of villages like Panchayat, Sarpanch, MPTC or other administrative, and maintaining the records of village to higher officials are also making among people to utilize the government's scheme. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Kranti from 10th standard. My role is district minister. I am a minister in a state cabinet, who I am an elected MLA from my constituency as a district minister. My duty is to coordinate the elected representatives and officials in the district and to supervise the developmental works in the district. Our district minister is P. Savita Indra Reddy Garu, who she is also a education minister. Thank you.
My name is Karthik Reddy. I am studying in 9th standard. My role is MPDO. MPDO it means Mandal Parishad Development Officer. One can become MPDO by clearing competitive examinations like groups. The duties of MPDO is including conduction of review meetings at the Mandal level, the implementation of welfare schemes. MPDO is coordinated by Panchayat secretaries and officials at the Mandal level. Thank you.
My name is Ashila. I am from 9th standard. My role is RDO. RDO it means Revenue Divisional Officer. One can become RDO by clearing Group 1 examination conducted by the state, who is coordinating with all the departments of revenue division in administration and jurisdiction. Our Tandur RDO is Ashok Kumar Garu.
My name is English Janet. My role is MU. MU it means Mandal Educational Officer. The duties of MU is to supervise the educational institution, which may be government or private. We also take necessary actions in development of education standards in schools at Mandal level. We also conduct reviews and recording the academic progress students with headmasters. He works under the guidance of DO or other educational officers for the progress of educational in the Mandal. MU of Yalal is Dr. Reddy Gaur.
Namaste, my name is Pawan Rathod. I am studying in 10th standard. My role is MLA. It means Member of Legislative Assembly, and I am elected by the people of my constituency, and my duty to involve the development of constituency by the coordinating of representatives and the officers of in the constituency, and I will attend the assembly as a representative, and I am elected, and I will raise my voice on the issues of my constituency, and our Tandur MLA is P. Reddy Garu. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Kirtana. I am studying 9th classes. My role is ZP Chairman. ZP means Jilla Parishad Chairman. I am ZP Chairman of Vikarabad district. I am elected ZPTC through people majority of ZPTCs. My duty is coordinating and representatives and officials of district and to supervise district development. Our Vikarabad district ZP Chairman is Sri Sunita Mahendra Reddy Garu.
My role is district collector. Person can become a district collector by clearing the civil service examination, and IAS officer will become district collector. IAS it means Indian Administrative Service. The duty of the collector is to coordinate all the departments of the district and also supervising for the smooth functioning of the administrative system. I am a magistrate in terms of judiciary and in terms of administration. I will coordinate to RDOs, MROs and other officials in the district. Thank you.
Today, in our Pratibha School Tandur, on behalf of the Children's Day celebrations, we presented today about the district administrative system model. In this model, our students has played the role of officials and then political system. The main concept of the district administrative system model is actually to make awareness among the children, to make awareness among the students regarding our political system and administrative system of the district. In this model of the representation, our students has performed the roles of all the roles. If you are seeing the roles from in the administrative system, from the district collector to the panchayat secretary, RDO, DEO, MRO, MDO, VRO and panchayat secretary, they perform their roles and they set their duties again. And if you are seeing the political system of the district, from the Jilla Parishad chairman and district minister, then MP, MLA, then MLC, JPTC, MPTC, municipal chairman, municipal councillor, Sarpanch, ward member. All the roles has been covered by our students, and our students clearly said about their duties. And the concept of this main program is to make awareness among the students regarding the district administrative system. And our school is first in creating the experiments. We strongly believe the concept of schools are the laboratories for the national development, and our main motto is to involve our students in society, to make our students in the social and to make the social responsibility among the students. ఈరోజు మా ప్రతిభా స్కూల్లో బాలల దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా మేము జాతీయ పాలనా వ్యవస్థకు సంబంధించిన అవగాహన కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించినాం. ఈ జాతీయ పాలనా అవగాహనలో భాగంగా మొత్తం మా విద్యార్థులందరూ కూడా జిల్లాలో ఉన్నటువంటి పాలనా వ్యవస్థలో భాగంగా మొత్తం కూడా రాజకీయ వ్యవస్థ మరియు మనకు ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ అధికారుల వ్యవస్థ మొత్తం కూడా వారి రోల్స్ మొత్తం కూడా చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అందులో భాగంగా మనకు పాలనా వ్యవస్థలో భాగంగా అధికారుల వ్యవస్థలో భాగంగా మనకు డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కలెక్టర్ దగ్గర నుంచి పంచాయత్ సెక్రటరీ వరకు, మరి మనకు రాజకీయ వ్యవస్థలో భాగంగా మనకు జిల్లా పరిషత్ చైర్మన్ నుంచి చివరికి వార్డు మెంబర్ వరకు వాళ్ళు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం, ఈ పాలనా వ్యవస్థ అవగాహన కార్యక్రమం యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే విద్యార్థులకు జిల్లా స్థాయిలో ఉన్న పాలనా వ్యవస్థకు సంబంధించినటువంటి అవగాహన మేము తీసుకురావాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మా ప్రతిభా పాఠశాలలో ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించినాం. బాలల దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమం ద్వారా ఉన్న విద్యార్థులందరికీ కూడా అంటే పాలనా వ్యవస్థ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది, ఆ పాలనా వ్యవస్థలో ఉన్నటువంటి అధికారులు కానీ లేకపోతే రాజకీయ నాయకులు కానీ వాళ్ళ యొక్క పనితీరు ఏ విధంగా ఉండాలి, సమాజంలో వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా వాళ్ళు పనిచేయాలనే అవగాహన తీసుకురావడం ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేము పెట్టడం జరిగింది. దీంట్లో మా విద్యార్థులు కూడా చక్కగా వారి యొక్క పాత్రను వారు నిర్వర్తించారు. మేము ఒకటే చెప్తా ఉన్నాం, ఇవాళ విద్యార్థుల్ని సమాజంలో భాగం చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతోనే మా ప్రతిభా స్కూల్ నడుస్తున్నది. ఎందుకంటే మా ప్రతిభా స్కూల్ నమ్మే సిద్ధాంతం ఒకటే, ఎందుకంటే పాఠశాలలే దేశాభివృద్ధికి ప్రయోగశాలలు అనే సిద్ధాంతాన్ని నమ్మి ఇలా మేము ఈ కార్యక్రమాలు చేపడతా ఉన్నాం. ఓకే,
ఇంతటితో T6 వార్తలు సమాప్తం. మళ్ళీ వచ్చే బులెటిన్లో మరిన్ని వార్తలతో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంతవరకు సెలవు. నమస్కారం.